Ever wish your online store could read your customers' minds? Well, kinda creepy. But Adobe Commerce does the next best thing. Meet your store's new secret weapon, AI-powered product recommendations powered by Adobe Sensei. Let's dive in. And yes, it's smarter than your cousin who invests in crypto.
Recommendation dashboard. Specify which store view should display the recommendations. Click Create Recommendation. In the Name Your Recommendation section, provide a descriptive internal name, for example, Home Page Most Popular. In this Select Page Type section, choose the page where you want the recommendation to appear from the following options. Home Page Category Product Detail Cart Confirmation Page Builder. You can create up to 5 active recommendation units per page type, and up to 25 for Page Builder. Once the limit is reached, the corresponding page type will be grayed out. In the Select Recommendation Type step, choose the logic for how products are selected and shown. Recommendation types use storefront behavior data from the last 7 days. Personalized, these recommendation types suggest products based on a shopper's behavior history on our site. Recently viewed, products most recently viewed by the shopper, based on their browsing history. Recommended for you, personalized products based on the shopper's current and past on-site behavior. Cross-sells and upsells. These recommendations are driven by social proof to help shoppers or to highlight product similarities. Popularity, these recommendation types suggest products that are most popular or trending in the past 7 days. Most viewed, most purchased products most commonly viewed by shoppers in the past 7 days. Most added to cart, products most commonly added to the cart by shoppers in the last 7 days. Trending products reflecting the recent surge in popularity across your site. High-performing, these recommendation types suggest top products based on metrics like add to cart and conversion rates. View to purchase conversion products with the best view to purchase conversion rate. View to cart conversion products with the best view to cart conversion rate. For this demo, we've selected recommended for you as the recommendation type. In storefront display label, enter a meaningful label for your shoppers. This label will be displayed on the front end. Choose number of products. You can select up to 20 products to display in the recommendation block. Select placement. Choose to display recommendations at the top or bottom of the main content area. Choose position. Select the order for displaying recommendations. Filter products. This option allows you to include or exclude products based on category, price, visibility, stock status, and more. Only products that match inclusion filters will be recommended. Products matching exclusion filters will not be shown. Let's see how the product recommendation appears on the front end. With the back end all set, here's the magic on the storefront: AI-powered, personalized product recommendations designed to boost engagement, increase conversions, and enhance the shopping experience.
Turn browsers into buyers. More sales. Happy customers. Adobe Commerce, powered by DLUX. Start your journey with Adobe Commerce today. Your store will thank you. Connect with us today.